Hi, Year 4, it's Miss Samra here. So I have got lesson 3 ready for you. So spelling starter for today. Can you give yourself about 90 seconds to 2 minutes to write down all of these words correctly? They've all been spelt in the incorrect way. Now, by the end of the lesson, you should know how to use subordinated conjunctions. As we've touched base on this last week, I'm not going to get you to watch the video, but if you click on the link, it will take you to the quiz. So if you pause the video and do the quiz and come back, it should help you understand what subordinated conjunctions are. We've got the I saw a wobub here. And did I ever tell you I saw a wobub? A subordinating clause is part of a sentence that adds additional information to the main clause. A subordinating conjunction is simply the word or words that is used to join a subordinating clause to a main clause or sentence. In today's lesson, we are going to be looking at Frida's artwork and explaining why she created them. We are doing this so we can understand her better, and it will help us add more information to our fabulous fact files. So I have done one for you. Can you spot where I've used the subordinating conjunctions? I'm just going to read the first one I've used there for you. There's a way to know when a painting by Kahlo expresses a feeling of unbearable pain because Frida was unable to replicate the suffering in her own body, and therefore she used other images. So when Frida Kahlo was injured, instead of drawing herself, she drew an animal with lots of arrows pointing in the areas of where she was in pain herself, and then she added her head to the animal. And you can see that she's all alone as well in the woods. It's probably how she felt. Now it's your turn. On the next 2 slides, there are 2 images of Frida's artwork. We will write one explanation together, and then you will need to use the fact sheet here. So if when you come out of this video, you can go to the slide and click on it, or you can go to the pupil portal to write your own. Remember, we're trying to use subordinating conjunctions in our sentences. So this piece of artwork is called Congress of Peoples for Peace by Frida Kahlo in 1952. It's quite lovely. So Kahlo imagines 2 explosions at the horizon of the landscape, rising in a fiery cloud. Kahlo plants as defence a tree of truth and life, the fruits of knowledge, something, a message of hope for humanity. So there's 4 missing gaps there. I'd like you to pause this video and have a go at trying to put a subordinating conjunction into those gaps. Just read them out loud so you know it makes sense. And these are the ones I have chosen: as, because, while, and another as. So maybe you've used a different one. Double check it makes sense. Double check if mine makes sense. I'll read that one again. Kahlo plants as defence a tree of truth and life, the fruits of knowledge as a message of hope for humanity. So that does make sense when I read it out loud. Hopefully you got the same as me. Now it's your turn. So you're going to do this independently now. Use the sheet with facts about Viva la Vida and turn them into full sentences using subordinated conjunctions. So you can do what I did here, which is write out the facts and change the subordinated conjunctions. Or you can use a fact and write your own sentences using subordinated conjunctions. Don't forget. Okay, good luck, and upload that to Class Dojo. Your fact sheet and the sheet with the information and links are on the pupil portal.